Hello, everybody, and welcome to my new episode on how to turn off Snapchat notifications. So, the first thing you're gonna need to do is simply just open the Snapchat app. So, keep in mind, guys, this is the first tip. Go at the bottom, at the top, press Settings, as you can see in my screen. Go at the Settings, and you can clearly see it says Notifications. You can see on my screen notifications. Just press that, and just where you see enable notifications, just press that and notifications will go automatically off. But if you want tip number 2, if you don't have that, go at the settings and search your Snapchat app, or just at the search bar search Snapchat and go at the app Snapchat, as you can see on my screen. Then after you go at the Snapchat app, you can see notifications at the privacy, under the privacy notifications. Press that, and as you can see it says show notifications. Just swipe left and notifications will be turned off, and you will not get any notifications